Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, October 4th. Well, let's see how the market is setting up to finish out the week, and what we did see is we saw some bearish action coming in on the NASDAQ market. I was looking for unchanged behavior. Instead, the sellers did continue to come into that market on Thursday. However, for Friday, I'm not looking for a continuation to the downside. I think a more logical movement would be a rotation back and forth. We're seeing a little firmness in Asia right now, nothing really significant, but it's a very neutral stance to me also. We have a potential double top, but I'm just not looking for a dramatic move to the downside. It's going to need new information to cause that. Well, the euro continues stronger. As I said, I am not bullish on the dollar. And when it comes to interest rates, I wanted to see those back off in the 10-year notes, but instead we stayed in a very balanced mode. But I am bearish on the 10-year notes. I think gold is a sideways market. I mentioned that for yesterday's action. That's really the kind of behavior that we have here, and I'm looking for more of the same. Crude oil also, I looked for a sideways market yesterday. That's what we have here, and I'm looking for more of the same there as well. And when it comes to the grains, soybeans did trade above this bullish level. The difference between the bearish and bullish level here is 28 cents, which is $1,400. And again, that's just a reference that I'm providing you with. Corn also traded above its bullish level. That difference here is 9 cents, which would be 9 times 50 or $450 per contract. And again, it's just a reference to give you a feel for how that market's unfolding. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Looking forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.